big news is coming in. The D-Day has finally arrived. Remember, this is very important because this is as much for the Senas as for the Pawars, for the Kamal and for the Panja, who will have that Maha edge. You can see some of the leaders already have been arriving and have started to cast their vote. We'll go across to one by one leaders coming in. But remember, this is the pull, not only with regard to how big and cosmopolitan the Mumbai city is, and of course we have some of the strongest leaders, but we have the film fraternity. This is the film industry capital of the country. This is as much with regard to the financial capital city. All of that and more is where Maharashtra is. So looks like that there are a lot of stars, not just from the political fraternity, but from the film fraternity also, who I would like to see, at least this morning. Why should only Netas come in, while also simultaneously with political and public posturing? But what about the big business tycoons? What about the big film stars? Mumbai, Bandra, that would be our focus this morning. Meanwhile, Ajit Pawar, Deputy CM of NCP, has arrived. We saw RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, one of the first voters in Nagpur to have come in. Shaina NC, who's also a contestant. She was seen first visiting a temple for the blessings of the god, and then other leaders as well. But the reason you're looking at Ajit Pawar is also because of what his decision could do or has done. The fact that he jumped ship, broke away from the family, and then joined this new faction with the Mahayuti. Vidya is on the ground, so is Mustafa Sheikh, so is Ritwik Bhalekar. All our colleagues have been constantly trying to get updates on that. So let's go across to... Alright, so these are our colleagues on the ground. Piyush, let me first come to you. Where are you presently and what is the mood like?
Well, there's a lot of excitement among the voters, Pooja. Remember that voting began at 7 a.m. and we saw people queuing up right in front of voting centers at 6:45 a.m. And Mohan Bhagwat was the first voter who cast his vote. He had left from RSS headquarters at 6:45 a.m. He, along with various other RSS leaders, came here and cast their vote. I would also like to show you the visuals from one of the voting centers, which is right next to the RSS headquarters. Also, you can see how people are standing in queue. This shows the kind of excitement which is there among the people, and people are very much hopeful of the new government to work for the welfare of the entire region. If you talk about this region, Nagpur, it is very crucial because here are the RSS headquarters, and during the course of election, during the course of campaigning, we saw as to how RSS was very much active this time. Around 3 lakhs small meetings have been conducted by RSS, and from here multiple directions were given to various RSS workers across Maharashtra. And as far as this Nagpur region is concerned, there are 12 assembly seats, and if you talk about the rural seats of Nagpur, out of 6 assembly seats, 4 are on 4 seats BJP BJP. It is under the it's with BJP, and 2 seats are with Congress. So this time again people have come out to cast their vote. It remains to be seen as to how the results turn out. What is more important here is that it is also a Vidarbha region. Out of in Vidarbha region, in Lok Sabha elections, out of 10 Lok Sabha seats, 7 seats were won by Mahavikas Aghadi and 3 by Mahayuti. So it is also going to be a big challenge for Mahayuti to retain their seats, because various BJP leaders are telling us that in Lok Sabha elections, the kind of polling percentage was there with Mahayuti turned out to be very good for assembly.
Stay on with me, because also Vidya and Mustafa are joining us. Vidya, you tell me, what do you think have been 2 to 3 big issues? All right, stay on with me. Film stars one by one coming in. I have to say, remember, busy schedules, late night shootings, but Rajkumar Rao ensuring one of the first voters early this morning, casually dressed but exercising his franchisee, because this is a right. Often, while these film stars are asked why don't they have political mentions, why don't they speak on politics, well, this is where they get a chance to decide who their leader is going to be. So Rajkumar Rao, at least that's the first confirmation I have, that he, one of the film stars who's come out to vote. Will others follow as well? The inked finger there for Rajkumar Rao, not speaking much. Vidya, so you tell me, it's of course the big city, Mumbai, but what do you think have been the big issues? Or the kind of big infighting, the highlights that you think ahead of this voting day?
While the Mahayuti is talking about development, remember there has been, large-scale development. There is coastal road that has been done. There's also, the underground metro that is still under construction. So there is all-round development that the people of Mumbai are witnessing, and that's something that they are looking forward to using in the next few years. In fact, that's one of the main ground. Of course, apart from that, there are issues of pollution. Right now we are in a state where, though it's not much compared to Delhi, but Mumbai for the last couple of years has become slightly more polluted. So, people do think of it as an issue as well. Apart from infrastructure and these issues, there are also issues of, beautifying the city, the greenery in the city, and they are looking forward to someone who would actually, look into these kind of issues and make sure that people do have a better life and better policies are made to make sure that people in Mumbai who are living here for the last many years do not face, the huge issues, other issues of, say, for example, overcrowding, the fact that there is pollution. Then these kind of issues do not really hurt them. And of course, they have looked through the manifestos of each and every party.
Yes.
While Mahavikas Aghadi is also harping on the fact that they
but I have to say,
they are
Vidya,
the ones who have
this
borne the
election
brunt
has
of
been
this.
super heated in terms of whether it's discourse, narrative, often turning uglier like we've been discussing. Mustafa also joining me now. Mustafa, so at least one film star who we have a confirmation of Rajkumar Rao. I hear more and more have been arriving and queuing up. What do you hear? You're in fact at one of those big locations.
Well, the three superstar, you can say Bollywood personalities who have voted this morning, as you said, rightly said, Rajkumar Rao. We have also seen film director Kabir Khan vote. We are getting to see visuals of Akshay Kumar, who arrived early morning to vote at one of the polling stations in Mumbai, and he has said that everyone should vote, and there were good arrangements which were made for the voting. So as you rightly said, and Vidya was also mentioning, Mumbai is the Bollywood capital, Mumbai is the financial capital. You will see a common man go and vote at a polling station. You will see Mukesh Ambani go and vote at the same polling station. So that's the beauty of democracy.